Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Funerals. Narrated by Amr bin Rabia, the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "When you see a funeral, stand up for it till it leaves you behind, or it is placed on the ground." Abu Dawud 3170-3158. Salim reported on the authority of his father, "I saw the Holy Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr and Umar walking before the funeral." Abu Dawud 3179. Narrated from Hisham bin Amir that Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, "Dig the grave deep, make it spacious, and prepare it well." Majah 1560. Narrated by Al-Husayn ibn Wawa, Talha ibn al-Bara fell ill, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ came to pay him a sick visit. He said, "I think Talha is about to die, so tell me about his death and make haste, for it is not advisable that the corpse of a Muslim should remain withheld among his family." Abu Dawud 3159. Narrated by Al-Bara ibn Azib, "We went out with Allah's Messenger ﷺ of accompanying the bier of a man of the Ansar. When we reached his grave, it was not yet dug. So Allah's Messenger ﷺ sat down, and we also sat down around him as if birds were over our heads. He ﷺ had in his hand a stick with which he ﷺ was scratching the ground. He ﷺ then raised his head and said, "Seek refuge with Allah from the punishment in the grave." He ﷺ said that in 3 times. The version of Jabir adds here, he hears the beat of their sandals when they go back, and at the moment he is asked, "Oh so and so, who is your Lord? What is your religion? And who is your prophet?" Hanad's version says 2 angels will come to him, make him sit up, and ask him, "Who is your Lord?" He will reply, "My Lord is Allah." They will ask him, "What is your religion?" He will reply, "My religion is Islam." They will ask him, "What is your opinion about the man who was sent on a mission among you?" He will reply, "He is Allah's messenger." They will ask him, "Who made you aware of this?" He will reply, "I read Allah's book, believed in it, and considered it true, which is verified by Allah's words." Allah's book, believed in it, and considered it true, which is verified by Allah's word. Allah establishes those who believe with the words that stands firm in this world and the next. The agreed version reads, "Then a crier will call from heaven, 'My servant has spoken the truth, so spread a bed for him from paradise, clothe him from paradise, and open a door for him into paradise.' So some of its air and perfume will come to him, and a space will be made for him as far as the eye can see." He also mentioned the death of the infidel, saying, "His spirit will be restored to his body. 2 angels will come to him, make him sit up, and ask him, 'Who is your Lord?' He will reply, 'Alas, alas, I don't know.' They will ask him, 'What is your religion?' He will reply, 'Alas, alas, I don't know.' They will ask, 'Who is the man who was sent on a mission among you?' He will reply, 'Alas, alas, I don't know.' Then a crier will call from heaven, 'He has lied, so spread a bed for him from hell, clothe him from hell.' Then some of its heat and pestilential wind will come to him, and his grave will be compressed, so that his ribs will be crushed together." Jabbar's versions add, "One who is blind and dumb will then be placed in charge of him, having a sledgehammer, such that if a mountain were struck with it, it would become dust. He will give him a blow with it, which will be heard by everything between the east and west, except by men and jinn, and he will become dust. Then his spirit will be restored to him, Abu Dawud 4753. وما توفيقي إلا بالله.